Alright, you're gonna make him move.
Look. Oh.
Oh, that is fucking awesome. Yum, 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 yum. Dude, I would ew. That is freaking awesome.
That's wild National Geographic shit right there.
Cool. And that's why we like Hector.
Look at him. Yeah.
And he's done.
And he's fucking gone. So.
Bye-bye, Mothie.
And that's it. He's a done. He's a wrap.
He's a wrap.
He's looking at us like, what the fuck, am I on camera or what? That's a good fucking shot right there, huh? Not blurry or nothing.
Mm-hmm.
They still eat the wings too, watch.
Hold on, I want to take a picture
Oh, stop.
of it, though.
It's on video. You don't need to take a picture. It's better video.
Oh, there we go. Delicacy.
The best part. Clean my butthole with it.
Yeah, I want a picture of it, though, so I can put it on my thing. Alright! He's gonna fucking attack you, dude. He's going for more bugs. He just punked you. He just fucking moved. Oh, he's watching for more. He must be really hungry.
Get some more.